Hi there, Anagha here. Welcome to my food channel. This video is about chicken egg noodles. This is a popular street food across the globe and this is very simple, quick and appetizing. This particular recipe or the street food, you can make it in your kitchen in a much more hygienic and healthier way. So let's see how to make this particular recipe, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. Let's see how to make this chicken egg noodles. So for chicken egg noodles, first let's make noodles. Add water. So once the water is warm, add the noodles. Add little oil. So the noodles is cooked and we can strain this now. So the noodles are strained and now we will grease with little oil. Take a boneless chicken, add salt, add pepper, add little oil, little oregano, a spoon of cornflour. Add this chicken. Little oil. So this is done and we'll take this aside. In the same pan, crack 2 eggs. Little salt. Add little pepper. Sliced onions, green capsicum, carrots, black pepper, soya sauce, tomato sauce, green chilli sauce, add the noodles masala. Now add the chicken and scrambled eggs. Add the noodles. So here the chicken egg noodles is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Thank you.